Hello everyone and welcome to our website www.deanspuppies.com. Our kennel is located in Louisville, Kentucky, USA. Here is a new litter of Pomi-bear puppies, and it's a breed designed by me in the USA in 2015. They are absolutely hypoallergenic. Pomibear is a combination of teddy bear and miniature Pomeranian. Teddy bear is a combination of Bichon and Shih Tzu, and that's what makes them look like Pomeranian but hypoallergenic, and they are great for people with allergy. If you found us through YouTube, simply click on the link below to be directed to our website deanspuppies.com, and then click on the newborn puppy page to read some information about them. However, when they are weaned and ready to leave our place to be with a new family, we will post them under the Pomi-bear page. The page will explain to you price, background, genes, and medical record. If you would like to know more about Pomi-bear, there is a page located in the website called Pomi-bear info. Please read it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to either call my cell phone number 502-855-0323 or simply click on the link below. Will take you to our website deanspuppies.com. We wish you all the best of luck.